In today's video, I'm going to be fitting the rear door windows to the van. So there's the two windows, and I'm going to show you a nice easy way to fit windows if you buy the proper fitted ones for your van. So when most people fit their van windows, they do it a bit of a harder way than they have to. So they'll make a template up, they'll measure the windows, they'll do it all from outside, and they'll mark it all up and they'll remeasure. And it takes them forever, and they're panicking in case it's going to be in the wrong place, and then they drill the first hole hoping it's in the right place, and usually if they've measured enough it is, but they've probably wasted a couple of hours of that. If you're buying the windows that fit the exact van you've got this lip all the way around, and that's pretty much the exact cut you just need to make. So you've got this strut you need to remove, so I'll cut that off with the angle grinder first. And on the windows, the glass has like a dark strip on the outside, and the actual window itself goes slightly inside. So pretty much all you have to do is cut along just inside this line all the way around, and you've got the perfect gap for your window to sit on the outside and your glass to be perfect on the inside. And also, I'm going to be cutting on the inside, because you see a lot of people up on steps and ladders and stuff, but from here, cut. Same with the side window, got no need to go on a step, it just makes things a lot easier. So let's get cracking with that. Quick little disclaimer before you cut your van and your windows don't fit and you blame me. Just double check your measurements before, and just make sure that the window clear part isn't wider than that. It's very unlikely it will be, but don't blame me if you mess it up. Right, we're all good, so let's get grinding. What I did was, obviously you saw me cutting the straights out, and then I just rounded the corners off with the angle grinder bit by bit, and I've just taken all the sharp edges off. And then I'm going to touch this up with paint, make sure they don't rust, and possibly stick some sealant in between the two, just in case there's a tendency for any of the metal to rattle.